Excuse me?
Shout out to
No,
the T.
tell me who the fuck you think I am in your mind.
Nature Boy in his feelings.
Fuck that. Who the fuck do you think I am in your mind?
Because Natiri feeling Solar.
I need to know that right now.
Look, he
Yo,
in his
what?
feelings.
Bitch, is you crazy?
Like no, it's just you like as in
The fuck?
There he go in his feeling.
it's just love. Everything.
No, hold on. You're my lover?
When she came for Solar from the jump anyway,
My lover don't love other niggas.
he stole
'Cause I'm
her
jealous of
and
your
Zoka
life,
from
nigga.
Solar.
What the fuck? Do you know who I am?
Look,
No, fuck that.
Nature,
Do you know who the fuck you fucking
Nature, dirty ass boy.
with? In the end, you gonna be wanting to suck my dick. I promise you, all these bitches gonna suck my
boy.
dick, and you gonna
That's
know
all
who
you
I
think
am.
about.
It's kind of like it's weird to me.
That's all you think about. No real man thinks about that all the time, my boy.
You like a dumb broad.
That's how you
I'm
know
gonna be
you
honest
lack.
with you. In my own, can I get my
You
opinion?
lack
And this might be mean, but it's gonna be
a
some New
lot
York shit.
as a
You
man,
dumb
bro.
broad, bro. You stupid as hell.
when sex
No, when I say
controls
that,
you.
no, you can't, because I'm talking now, because I let you talk before.
You weak.
Now, hold on.
Nature boy, Nature in his feelings boy.
No.